Human Resource and Information Technology Center HURI Tech amadi ISEC Thobalna We Care Skill Solution Private Limited ka khutsamnaduna Market Banking Career and Personality Enhancement haiba hiramda nongmagi oiba workshop ama ngasi ISEC Thobalda pangthokre. Marketing and Banking amadi Banking Career and Skill Enhancement haina session ani thokna khaidoklaga HURI Tech ki secretary su oiriba ISEC Thobalgi Center Manager Akoizam Biswajitna Moderator oiduna pangthokpa workshop aduda Bank of India Thobal Branch ki Senior Manager Khaidem Dipakna Financial Literacy and Banking haiba hiramda We Care Skill Solutions Private Limited ki Managing Director Wangkai Lakpam Srimanna Marketing and Branding amasung Career and Skill Enhancement haiba hiramda aduga Bank of India Lamlong Branch ki Senior Manager Oinam Khogendrona Financial Literacy and Banking haiba hiramda Resource Person oina wangangki ngasi pangthokkiba workshop adugi nungi warol pibada akoizam biswajit na hai ISEC Thobal na piriba course amadi skillsing asi loisillaga matungda makhoigi skillsing asi karamna kadaida sizinnagadagi haiba adu mahiroising asida khanghanduna malemgi oirakliba competition asida saruk yaba ngamhannabagi pandamda pangthokpa workshop amani haiki
We Care Skill Solutions Private Limited ka kusamnaraka pangthriba workshop one day workshop masi pangthokui maramdi ekhina piriba skillsing si masi enhance tawhanaba amsung masigi course tambal lorun matungda kamana sinagadagi amasung krama mafumda sinabai makoida leiriba skillsing si kamana enhance tawgadagi amasung makoiga leinariba mari amsung ekoiga malem se sembaliba darga oriba yamna competitive oriba timing se sa ekoina matokramna koigi skillsing se sinagadagi amasung mafum chana sinabi anabi damda piriba workshop makhalamani Asesa ekoina ngasi pigadoribasi skill enhancement amasung banking financial literacy da yumpham oraga pigadoriba workshop ni